In onCourse, a site is the location a class or event is held. They are assigned to classes to show students and tutors where the class will be delivered. They can be physical or virtual and have any number of separate rooms created for them as well. To make a new site, from the navigation menu, go to Configuration, then Sites. Click the plus button to create a new site. Give the site a name. This name can appear publicly on your website, so make sure it's easy to read and understand. There are a few other fields like address details and a few checkboxes near the top. For now, make sure that Show this site on the website is ticked, and we'll go over what the others mean in another video. Next, we want to add a room. Click the plus button next to the Rooms heading. Give the room a name and a maximum number of seats it can hold. You can add any number of rooms you need to a site, but that's all we'll need to do for now. So click Save and we can move on to the next step.